morning, guys. Today is Courtney's mother's birthday and they're throwing him a surprise birthday party. So I'm gonna vlog today. Courtney is here mowing the yard. Babe, catch. The brown handle knife this. So what do you want? Can't get it right now, huh? So yeah, his mother has no clue that this is going to happen. So there's a lot of work to be done. Let's just say that, because we are nowhere near started. The place is a mess, and ideally 4 o'clock is the time they want to start doing it. Anyway, alright guys, so the party is set already, and the only thing we have to do now is sing his mom a happy birthday song and all that stuff. I'm ready. I'm just wearing what I wore last week. No shame in my game. But yeah, I'm out of here.
Georgiana today, right at this stage in her life, I know she has sacrificed herself, and I can say especially for our children, full sacrifice. And even they would talk about it more than I can, and they can probably express it more than I can. But from the little I know, she gave her all, and that is something I always admire about women, about mothers. They would give everything for their children, and that is something that, you know, the strength that they have. And so today I want to pronounce a blessing on her, and this blessing is taken from Numbers chapter 6 and verse 24. It's a very simple blessing, but this was a blessing that God told Moses and Aaron that he should bless the children of Israel with. And it says simply, may the Lord bless you and protect you. May the Lord smile on you and be gracious unto you. May the Lord show you his favor and give you his peace. I remember a man said one time, him say, God, one person plus God is majority. Right? So when God bless you, nobody can be against you. If God is for you, nobody, not cure them back. Cannot. Because God controls everybody, control every situation, control everything. And so today, that is the blessing we are pronouncing on you, because you deserve it.
Amen.
And we just want to give thanks for your life, let you know that we all appreciate you, and for what you have done, you will get your reward.
Amen.
Okay? So, I don't know if we have any singers.
Fiona.
Really?
But we want to sing happy birthday
Baby.
Fiona.
to our beloved
The 11?
here,
11 Pro?
our beloved Georgia. Who is Fiona? Where's Fiona?
Fiona.
Oh, Fiona.
Fiona.
Picture worthy. Hold on.
So they said they want the grandchildren.
Why your color of it pops up? Make up your mind what you're doing with it. Take yourself.
Why am I tell us?
Yeah, right now, sir.
What that do?
You don't normally take a picture to do while it's a video.
Really?
Yeah, but apparently, you don't look like.
That must be touch button that.
You don't like. Oh man, probably just not this.
Let's see.
Listen,
Wow.
remember says Georgia birthday, you know, so I want to know.
One, two, three. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Mama. Happy birthday.
Beautiful sunrise and an evening kiss of a nice sunset on the evening seas. But the time is like it was and the liars. So keep them ready, keep them eating. Ready. The friends all she got is abusing me. But I say, don't you worry yourself, mama.
Hey guys, what's up? It's Kavine here, and again, it's a sad time of the trip for us because I am leaving. Babe, you miss me already? You miss me, man. But yeah guys, I am leaving.
Miss what?
I am leaving, and after about a month here, I am leaving. I am super sad. That's why I have my glasses, but you know, it's not. It's basically see you soon, right, babes? It's definitely see you again soon. Oh my god, look at my skin though. It's the skin for me. Fenty beauty, Fenty skin. Period, poo. But anyway, we're about to go to the airport now. Babe, remember say a foreign me are going on, a foreign me I come from. You know when you come from foreign, you make sure say, oh, everything nice and speak and span. When you got foreign man shit, it don't even matter. You know what I'm saying? But yeah guys, it's a sad day. I've been postponing this day until like forever. My flight's at 2 o'clock, and yeah, I didn't want to get some KFC, but babe, I go and like say it can't happen because time, but the weather is so beautiful, guys. Like, I'm not even want to live just because of the pretty ass weather. But yeah, it's definitely. When do you think I come back, babe?
Next never.
But I have work to do. So I'm gonna go up and work. Me feel like me accomplish something, so I can come back and chill. Cause everybody keep asking me down here, oh, you know, work, did you get fired, blah blah blah. So I'm just like, guys, relax. I have a wonderful job that allows me the opportunity to take as much time as I want, to work as much as I want based on my seniority even. And yeah, and I don't just have one source of income. So I always tell people, like, have more than one source of income and just work, and then relax. Because what's the point of life if you just go spend all of your time just work and have no fun and no pleasure? I guess that's the good thing about me and babe, is that babe actually has a job too that he's kind of in control of his timing, because he works as a, you know, a freelance electrician, so he does his work on his timing, right? So yeah guys, enough about us. If you don't see me at the airport, we'll see you in the next video. Comment, like, subscribe on our journey to 500 subscribers. I pre-recorded some videos, so I might put them up, but yeah, we'll see you in December. Peace. Bye. Guys, we're at the airport. Babe's about to cry.
Me? Yeah, okay.
Me and G, I'm not cry.
Yeah, lower case G.
Oh yeah, we're at the airport. Seems like a whole heap of people that fly, but oh well. We you doing, Megan? Yeah, smile for.
Everything we couldn't get today when we were here.
Like what? Watch all the unlimited football load.
Oh, yeah.
A bag of things. Anyway, my flight leave at 2 o'clock. Board at 1:15. It's now like 12:30. So I got to go. Baby. Hasta luego.
Later.
I can't even take him in the airport no more, guys. Sad. But no worries. Soon take him here. Bye. And for the final time this month, Majestic loves sis.